Yes, we are live right now. Okay, we are live, we are live, we are live. So it's another great day, okay, to look at the crypto market and look at possible scalping opportunity to make money in the market. We are on a journey to turn $100 into $1,000. And this can actually be based on your account size. Maybe you have $1,000, you want to turn to 10,000, you have 10,000, you want to turn to 100,000, or you have $10. Okay, you want to start giving yourself targets. All right, we'll be doing this every month and see how easy it is, okay, to actually attain all of this target we're going to be achieving. So what you want to do, if you are joining us for the first time, if you are seeing this video for the first time, you want to be a part of the community, subscribe to the channel, okay, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified each time we go live. And then what you can do is equally join, okay, the community using the link in the Telegram, okay, to the Telegram group in the video description. So if you just go to the video description, now what I advise, okay, I do trade with Bybit when it comes to futures trading, because this challenge of turning $100 into $1,000 is done with Bybit, okay, it's on futures trading. So you need a Bybit account. Once you go to the description of the video, make sure that you sign up with a Bybit account using the first link. Then you can use the second link to join the Telegram group. Okay, so that is it for newcomers. And make sure that you smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. Yeah, Vincent always, the first person, all right, to be here. You're welcome, Vincent. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Okay, so we'll be looking at the market. Currently, I am on this AGLD USDT token. This token ate my money yesterday, actually. Yeah, I ate part of my money yesterday, so it has reduced this raise of getting to $1,000 to something. I had to start afresh all over again and all of that. All right, but it's a good thing. All right, at times we make this money, and then at times we lose those money. Okay, but the amount of money you're ready to lose actually determines what makes you a good trader, guys. All right, so yeah, I missed this trade yesterday, and because of that, I didn't enter the trade again, right? I would have entered maybe at 98 cent, 97 cent, and I would have still made money. But out of anger, I just left the trade, so I didn't enter again. All right, so that is exactly what we are going to be looking at this morning. We are looking at possible scalping opportunity to scalp the crypto market, guys. We can do this again and again and again and again and again every day. All right, we'll do it and keep doing it. Okay, so if you are just joining up, make sure you smash that like button, right? Make sure you smash that like button. So for the AGL, the way it is currently, I don't know how far, okay, this retracement will happen, but looking at my trend line, okay, looking at my trend line, I'll wait for this to play out. I can equally plot another trend line from here, right? So I can plot another trend line from here. So we can have a bounce from this trend line, or we have a bounce at the major trend line down there. Okay, so I'll just wait for it to play out, all right? Once I lose a trade for a particular token, I don't go into that token again until I see a good, result and all of that. So what I'm waiting for, all right, I have this area of resistance, which is nice support. And then I have this my trend line here. Okay, so I'm waiting for a bounce from this trend line to the upside, or maybe if we are going down. Okay, this I believe this can retrace maybe down there before it start going up again and all of that. So if you want to look for scalping opportunity for AGL USDT, yeah, I don't know. You can go to the 15 minutes time frame, guys. You can go to the 15 minutes time frame. Go to the 15 minutes time. I see this token going down actually. I see it going down to as low as 89 cents, be even lesser. Okay, I see it going down to as low as 89 cents, even up to 76 cents. All right, I see it going down that low. All right, but I don't know yet. Let it play out. Or let it play out. I'm not going to take this trade again because I already lost money in it. So, why did I lose money? I entered too early, guys. I entered too early, and all of a sudden, this is where I was expecting this token to reject from. Okay, I was expecting it to reject from here, this area here. But guess what? This single candle just pulled it up, and then the second one pulled it up to 84. And before you know it, the token started going up and up and up. All right. And that is how I missed that particular token. All right. And I was not smart enough to enter an opposite direction, because I would have entered a long trade, and then the both trade would have been running concurrently without me losing money. But that is, by the way, that is story for another day. Okay, we'll look at AGL to look at possible trading opportunity for that. All right. So for now, let it run. Okay. Let it run. Let it play out. Let it play out. We're still in that upward trend. So let it play out. Anything below this trend line, I'm going to be looking for short opportunity. All right. So that is it for the AGL token. That is the token I was trading. I think I heard that trade since yesterday. Yeah. So, and then all of a sudden I got out of the market, guys. Okay. All right. So if I come back to the Bybit gainers list, there are a few tokens that have been doing very well. We have Link, we have SUI, we have Gala, we have Tomo. Tomo is out of it. Okay. Tomo is, I'm always getting Tomo's trade very wrong. I don't know why. You will go this way, Tomo will go this way. When you follow it this way, go that way. So I don't want to do that. All right. So yeah, we have a lot of token. We have Injective. Okay. Yeah, Injective started retracing back. We have Zeal. We have TRX. All of these token, we'll look at them. Okay, and see which we are going to be trading, guys. And so yes, but first let me start taking your chart. Okay, let me start taking the ones you have on the chart. We have Compound Coin. Okay, so Compound USDT. Let's start looking at that. For compound, yeah, go ahead. Let's see what's possible with compound coin. Currently, compound is at 70, 75 cent. Okay, and this is a trade setup that I have for compound coin. So we came back, right? Was it yesterday I mapped out this, or maybe I can't say. We came back, okay, and retest this level. Remember, I drew this trend line and I said a rejection from this trend line is where we are going to be entering our trade. Not just the trend line, but we have equally this line here, okay, that is serving as our resistance currently. Okay, that is serving as support right now. Okay, it was a resistance, we broke it, went up, and then came back to retest that area. So we are bouncing up from this area. It has not hit our stop loss yet, so we are taking a long trade for compound coin. It is a long setup for me. Now, this setup is not a scalping setup, guys. This setup is not a scalping setup because this can actually take you a day or two before this plays out. Okay, the target is anything around $80 and above. That's what I'm targeting for this. But you can take profit at $80, guys. But I put this around $96, $97. So you can take your first take profit at $80 and then maybe adjust your entry and all of that. This is a long setup, guys. For those of you who are not comfortable, Lily, you're welcome to the show. Okay, for those of you who are not comfortable seeing floating losses and all of that, okay, make sure you are using a very low leverage. Guys, make sure you are using a very low leverage and then allow the trade to play out. I see this going to $80. I see it going above, $80, maybe up to $90 or thereabout. So you can take your first take profit should be around $80, maybe around 85. You take again, you keep closing your position until you finally close the whole position. Okay. So yeah, for this is a long setup for me. All right. And this is a swing trade, guys. Once again, it is a swing setup. So it can take a day, two, or even more before this trade will play out. Okay. Then anything below that, it means that we're already in losses. So that's what I'm currently looking for at on the compound USDT. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot, or guys, take a screenshot now. The trade has already triggered, except you want to wait for a retracement. Okay, just wait for a retracement, right? Anything around this $73, $74, take a trade, take a long trade. Okay, anything around $73, $74, take a trade, guys. You can still take a trade up to this area at around 77. You can still take a long trade. As I said earlier, this is a swing trade, and I want to see how this plays out. Okay, so you can map out these areas and know. But I would prefer you enter down here. Okay, don't enter in the middle. Yeah, even if you enter at 75, you'll still be in profit. But for to avoid story that touch it, because at the end of the day, to go to 75, it will come back to maybe around 74, 73. When it comes back to 73, 72 or thereabout, you'll be seeing losses in your account and then you'll be jittering and all of that. Okay, you'll be uncomfortable and the rest. So wait for it. If you come down here to this area, you take it, you re-enter the trade. Okay. Yeah, so that is for the compound USDT coin, guys. That is for the compound USDT coin. Then the next token here is Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at the Bitcoin Cash, BCH USDT. What's going on with Bitcoin Cash? It has been long, 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 long. Is it time to short? I see Bitcoin Cash going lower, lower, lower. I see Bitcoin Cash going lower. Okay. That massive, that pump that Bitcoin just, all of a sudden from nowhere it started pumping. I see it's still going lower, guys. I see it's still going lower. So for Bitcoin Cash, I see it's still going lower. Okay. I see this coin still going lower. So if you're looking at this coin, it should be, if I'm going to long this coin, I will let this play out. And I'm looking at that 618 level or the 786 level. That's exactly the areas of, interest where I'll be entering in long trade to the upside. For me, let it play out. How long, okay, or how far will this take, or how long will it take to get down here? I don't know. I don't know because I'm on daily time frame right now, but we can look at the 5 minutes time frame and see how this plays out. 15 minutes, 5 minutes time frame, and then take advantage of all of these ups and down. So currently on the 15 minutes time frame, for me, okay, what I would do if I'm looking for a possible scalping opportunity, I'm going to use this area as my high. Okay, this zone here will be my high for the 15 minutes time frame, and then this area here will be my low for the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm looking at taking, this market consolidating around this area for a while, right? So I'm looking at either longing or shorting, depending, okay, for scalping. I can look at it to come reject here again, take it up, and then look at it to come reject it again, take it down. Okay, but to be on the safe side, because I see the market still going down, okay, I see this going down up to around $200 or thereabout. To be on the safe side, all you just need to do is if it comes back up here and it rejects this area, this is on the 15 minutes time frame, just take it down, okay, and then keep trailing your stop until maybe it gets to a certain level where you are comfortable with profit. You go ahead and close your trade and leave it for that day. Okay. So this is currently what I'm looking at for the 15 minutes time frame. So I'll just be looking at trailing or trading this market within this range. So when it gets here and reject, I'll take it down. If it comes here and it reject, I'll take it up. Okay. So just within this range, you can be making, let's say if it is a long trade and you're taking it from here, that should give you within that range, should be able to give you about 2 to 3%. Okay. And then if it is a short trade and you're taking it down from up there, okay, that should be able to give you, anything around that 2 point something to 3%. Okay. So you'll be making 2-3%, 2-3% just within this range. Okay. 2-3%. If you are a 10x leverage person like me, you know what that means. 2% will give you like 20% in the market and all of that. All right. So yeah, that is it. And then if you're a 5x leverage, okay, guy, and all of that, 5x should be giving you how much? 10 to 20%, depending on how patient you are with the market. All right. So that is for the Bitcoin Cash. That's exactly what I'm looking at. Okay. That's my stand on the Bitcoin Cash right now. So I see it going down. For those of you who have money to hold your position for long, you can take it down to maybe around $200 or thereabout. But if not, just depend on the scalping. Okay. Just be scalping the market. $10 every day is possible, guys. $10 every day is possible. There's no way you would dedicate your 1 hour, your 2 hours every day in this market that you'll not be able to make money. All right. And what you want to do is you look at the market and look at possible scalping opportunity. If it is $5 you want to be making per trade. If it is $2 you want to be making per trade. If it is $3, okay. When you do this, and maybe your target is to make $10 a day, and you make every trade $3, every trade, it is possible actually, and very easy to do it that way than to wait for one particular trade to give you up to that $10. If you are going to scalp, right, what is possible is that you look for those $3 per trade and then take like 2-3 trades a day, and then you would have achieved your target. Okay. But if you are that kind of person that will hold a trade for long, then it is possible that one trade can actually give you 20, 100% and all of that, depending on the leverage you're using. I always advise you use a lower leverage. Guys, when you are now comfortable with the market, when you now start understanding a particular pair and how it moves, and all of that, you can now start increasing your leverage. At a start, the aim here is not to get you rich quick, okay? The aim here is not to double your account overnight. Our target here is consistent profit. Even if it is $1 you want to be making, be consistent in it and do it again and again and again and again. If you can do that with 5x leverage, with 2x leverage, it means that if you now understand the movement of the market and you now upgrade your account, okay, maybe to a 20x leverage, you should equally be able to make profit and all of that. Okay, so the target there is not to use high leverage and then keep, when you see the losses like -$50 in your account, you'll be jittery and then you get sick. You, out of anger, you close the trade. That will make you lose more and more in the market, guys. Okay, that's for Bitcoin cards. The next token you want us to look at, okay, is ADA USDT. Let's look at what is currently ongoing with that particular token. Uh-huh. So we are still just within this 30-cent level. We are just within that 30-cent level. So let me look at a higher time frame and see what's possible, guys. Let me look at a higher time frame and see what's possible. Look at that. After the pump, we are coming back, okay, to this level. Yeah, for ADA is a short for me because I see it coming back to around 29 cents, guys. After the pump, it is a short for me, guys. It's a short. We're on the 618 level already. We are below that, okay? Currently, we are at that 718 level. Okay, 786 level, that's the level we are currently. But I see this, okay, I see a wick going down to this level here. I see a wick going down to this level here. So wait to take a trade at this rejection here, okay? This support level here will serve as our resistance going forward. All right, that is if the market can actually hold this level, that's the level we are looking at to serve as our resistance going forward. All right, the margin here, the distance between those level here to this level here should be how many percent? Let's say to this level should be around 2%. Okay, so if you want to scalp this, you can go to the 15 minutes time frame and look for possible scalping opportunity like a short. Okay, you enter a short, but here on the 15 minutes, you see that we are going to be using here. Okay, you see all of these wicks and rejection here. So here is going to be our low. Then if it breaks it, if it breaks this level here, you see this rejection, rejection, rejection. Okay, if you break this level, you can enter a short trade down there and take it down to this level, right? So here is going to serve as our resistance because definitely, even if we have to break this and continue to go down, price is going to react at this area here. Okay, so here on the 15 minutes time frame, wait for this breakout because this is our low on the 15 minutes, and then we can use here as our high. Okay, we can use here as our high for this 15 minutes time frame. And what we are looking at is a rejection here. We take it down and then a break of this area. Okay, once we break this area, and then this area becomes like a resistance for us, currently serving as a support. So if I change that to my support zone, so here is currently serving as a support. All right, anything around this 30-cent level is serving as a support. So if we break this and come back to retest this level, you can go to 5 minutes, okay, to see a clearer picture. So I want us to break this and then let this support become a resistance. So a rejection from this level, you can take it down to, from here, all right, from here, you can take it down to 30 cents to 29 and all of that, okay? And then keep an eye, guys, keep an eye. If you are going to take this trade down, okay, don't forget yourself, keep an eye on this level, all right? We have a strong resistance, okay, or support, because this will now become our support at that 30-cent level. All right, we have a strong support at that 30-cent level. Okay, except we break that, then you can be targeting 29, 28, and all of that. All right, so for XRP, yes, sorry, for the ADA token, this is currently what I am looking at. It's a short trade for me. All right, it's a short trade for me. So I will trail that until we get to 30 cents and then, look for a long opportunity to the upside. Okay, that is for the ADA token, guys. That's for ADA token, yeah. So the next token you want us to look at is Litecoin. Okay, yeah, Litecoin. Let's look at LVC USDT. Guys, smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe. We do this every day. Join us and then we'll get, calls and all of that to trade the market. All right. So currently for Litecoin, we are just down there. We are down there, down there, down there. Litecoin, I see it. Okay, so we are just at this zone right now. This is serving as a support right now. So this is the area we are looking at, guys. So this is our support. If we break this, then we should be targeting anything around $80, $83. Okay, and then if we break this level two, if you break this level two, then we should be targeting anything below $70 or thereabout. Okay, so yes, let this play out for Litecoin. Let this play out. You can go to lower time frame and look at possible entering areas. Go to lower time frame. Litecoin, I don't see Litecoin pumping after the halving. Okay, the Litecoin halving will be next month. Yeah, Litecoin halving is next month, so I don't see this coin pumping after the halving. I don't know, but it has had this pump already before. All right, we had that pre pump before the halving. After the halving, I don't see it pumping, except if eventually we enter the bull run, right? If eventually Bitcoin breaks above 30,000, above $31,000 and all of that, then we can see Litecoin, following suit. But if the market remains the way it is right now, I don't see this coin going above, that $100, $120 area. So, but pay attention, okay? As we are not after whether it to go up or it to go down. We just look at the technical and tools that are available for us. Look at the area, the direction the market is going, and we'll follow suit. Okay. And the reason why you always have to use tight stop loss when you are trading is because fundamentals can happen, right? News can just spring up from nowhere. Maybe you are longing and then it's a bad news and the market start crashing. You are in soup. Okay, maybe it's a good news for crypto, and then you are shorting, and all of a sudden the market start pumping. You'll be in soup. So when you use stop losses and all of that, and you are stopped that, you always look for another opportunity to re-enter the market. All right, guys. So that is it for Litecoin. For me, I'm going to be looking for a short trade, and I want to see this market come down to around $80 or thereabout going down. Okay, maybe before we have a pullback to the upside. So for Litecoin, that's what I'm looking at. But before I enter a trade, this has to break this level to prove that we are going down, because there's a probability that we can have a bounce from this level. And what happens if we have a bounce here, we are going up there, guys. Okay, so just wait for it. The halving is next month and all of that. So in just few days, less than 30 days, we are going into that. And then you start looking for opportunity to either buy lower and sell higher when that happens. Okay, if this actually go lower than this. All right, so the next coin you want us to look at is SVG USDT. What do we have here? What do you have here? What do we have here? This is a new token. This token was newly listed, right? Because there are no much data here. It is newly listed. Newly listed. What's the trading? What's the volume this token is making right now? That's key. Okay. As I think I saw that on the gainers list or so. I saw it somewhere, but let me look at the volume that this token is making doing currently. Okay. That is SVG. Yeah. About $8 million. Yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, it's not that bad currently. $8 million is not that bad, guys. It's not that bad, but right now, I don't know what the SVG token is all about. I don't know what the project is all about, guys. Whether it is AI related, Web3, I don't know what it's all about, guys, right now. So I will need to actually do, because what we're seeing here, okay, look at this. I don't know this area. This is the area we're currently looking at. Let me even go to the 1 hour time frame so that we'll see a clearer picture of what this token is doing. We are just in this down movement, okay? We're just in this down movement. So will it go lower than this area? That is what I can't tell. It was newly listed on the futures trading and all of that. So it's a new token. Now, will it go lower than this area? I can't say. All right. Will it reject from this area and above? Because if you have people who come in and put in more money in this stuff here, then this can play out. For me, I'll wait for a bounce at this 0.058. Okay. Anything around 0.058 or 0.079, I'm looking to take a trade with a very tight stop loss. Okay, with a very tight stop loss to the upside, because we are just at this previous low here. So I'm waiting for that to come down to, if you have it at 0.0057, 0.0056, anything around that zone, take a trade to the upside. Okay, take a trade to the upside, guys. That's basically what I'm looking at on this token. All right, I don't see a lot of movement in it. That's basically what I'm looking at for this particular token. So yeah, you can take a long trade and see how it plays out. So let this consolidation come down to this area and then take it up, guys. take it up. Yeah, for the SVG, that's what I'm looking at, guys. That's what I'm looking at. All my trades, I take profit at 10%. Exactly. It's as simple as that. Okay. Once you have a target for all of your trade, it's easier to attain 10% than looking. And now, one thing you need to equally do, okay, you end up taking a trade at 10%, guys, and then that trade will continue to go in your favor, maybe give you like another 1,000%. If that happens, no need to regret. You have collected your own, or you have taken your own portion, guys. Okay, you've cut from the, whatever it is, you have taken that particular portion. So wait for others to play out. All right, don't regret that. Don't just jump in right again. That we will make more money and all of that. Wait for it to play out, and then you take, look for other trades and the rest. So stick to that, okay? If you are going to be making, like, targeting 10%, you can say, okay, if eventually it goes against me by 5%, I don't want to be in that trade any longer. Or maybe you are doing a one-to-one risk reward ratio. Okay, if it is a one-to-one, you target to make profit 10%, you target to make, losses 10% and all of that. Right? And if you have more of the trades, guys, if you have more trades, then you will be able to make more money for yourself. Okay, all right. So that is for the let's look at SRP. Okay, SRP, USDT. So for SRP, I'm waiting for, to see SRP go down. Look at this. Look at this. What's happening? Okay, we have, SRP should be should be going down to, look at that fat, red candle coming down. A fat red candle coming down to this area here. Ha. Okay, for SRP, guys, let's look at higher time frame and see what's possible, right? If you are just joining, okay, on YouTube, Facebook, wherever you are joining from, make sure that you smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. Smash the like button. Now, for SRP, I'm still within this zone here. So we have our high on the 4 hours time frame at 82 cents. Then we have our low at 67 cents. So I see this coming down to that level. I see it coming down to that level. So I don't know what's happening. SRP is just falling. Maybe BTC is equally falling. So yes, let's look at BTC. Okay, BTC is below $30,000. Yeah, I see why that is happening. Okay, BTC is below $30,000. Okay, so for BTC, I'm going to look at entering a long trade at around, let's say 30, 29, 800, 29, 500, all of those areas I'll be looking at taking a trade. But for SRP, this area we are right now, maybe it should be a short trade for me, guys. It should be a short trade. I'm looking at taking a short to the downside for SRP, but let's get a clearer picture at the lower time frame and see how this play out. Okay, see how this play out. So yeah, this is what we're currently looking at on the lower time frame. Remember, this is our high, this is our low, and then we're currently sitting at this zone here. Okay, this is support, now a resistance. Support, now a resistance. You see that we are rejecting just at that area. Okay, this is a support that is now a resistance. So what I'm waiting for is a break of this area. Okay, we have what I want to see here play out is let SRP come down. Okay, and then now use this area as a support, as a resistance. Okay, currently it is now a support. This is our previous support. As you can see here, all of this rejection and all of that. Okay, it was our previous support here, then we broke here, and then now we are now using it as a resistance, right? We're now using this horizontal line as a resistance, and that is exactly where we are having this rejection from. So what I want to see SRP do is break this area, come back, and now use it as a support, as a resistance, sorry. Okay, and then take it down to anything at around, around anything from here down to around 68, 67 cents. Okay, 68, 67 cents. That's what I'm looking for, the SRP token. Okay, so wait for it to play out. Don't jump into it. You see, we are rejecting from that area back. So wait for this to play out. Now, there are two possible scenarios that will happen here. Is either we break this area and go down, or we break the trend line and go up. Okay, so if the break of the trend line is what comes first, what you are looking for is let the trend line break, because currently the trend line is serving as a resistance, right? This trend line is serving as a resistance. You can see clearly here that we rejected here, right? We rejected here, okay? And then we are rejecting here again. So if a break of this trend line happens, guys, if a break of this trend line happens, is what you're looking for is for this market to go up and then now use the trend line as a support, okay? If you use it as a base to bounce back, then you take it up, right? If this happens first, take it up. But if this other one happens first, wait for it to now use this area as what? A resistance. And then, you take it down. That is exactly what I'm looking at for SRP. Don't rush into it. Allow this, okay, all of these things to play out, and then you go ahead and take a trade, okay? Allow it to play out, and you go ahead and take a trade. Okay, so that's currently what I'm looking at for the SRP token. But if BTC drops, okay, BTC drops, I see SRP going back to either 47 cents or even 30 cents or thereabout. Okay, so we're just hoping that BTC will sustain that level of 29,500, bounce from there and go to the upside. But if we break that, then we should be looking at testing $26,000. Okay, yes, that's what I'm looking at. Any suggestions on the coin to buy? Yeah, there are coins to buy. Okay, I have a lot of coins. Okay, I want to buy. Okay, there are coins to buy, but right now you need to wait for them to get to that level where you can buy. All right, for SRP, if you look at what I'm just saying, if it plays out and then it comes down there, you should buy at those zone. Okay, at those zone. Okay, so 1 inch. Let's look at 1 inch and all of that. So when we analyze the market, guys, when we analyze the market, maybe for CJU KS, if what you're asking is for a longer term, okay, well, then we can do that. Okay, are certain coins that people behind those projects are actually, guys. I have a project that Dubai is currently working on. Okay, and then they have tokens and all of that. Dubai, the next phase of what they are looking at improving the economy is to tokenize almost everything. Okay, Dubai is going into tokenization of everything, real estate sector. Just talk about everything in Dubai and all of that. So if they are going to do that, guys, if they are going to do that, and there is a token they have tagged, all right, and related to all of that, which people are secretly buying right now. People are buying those tokens are less than $1, guys. They are less than $1. So people are secretly buying into those projects right now. If they are doing that, it means that trust Dubai now. Trust Dubai. Dubai want to create an exchange that will be one of the best. Remember, currently, because of their regulations and the rest, almost all the exchanges are having offices in Dubai. So Dubai is going to have a centralized exchange that will be competing with top exchanges like Bybit, like Binance, and the rest. And trust them, those guys are good. Okay, when they plan their things, though these things are not made public yet, for it's just limited people. Okay, the knowledge about them and all those projects are limited. So if you want to buy those projects, we can look at it, okay, on the separate section, and then you see how you can go buy those tokens and the rest. All right, so that is it about that. We'll talk about that next time, okay? For 1 inch, okay, let's go ahead and look at the 1 inch token for SRP. I'm paying attention to that. So let's see how it plays out. So 1 inch USDT. All right, guys, welcome to the live show. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and then always smash that like button. This is the trade setup we had yesterday, right? Though mine did not trigger because I was waiting for it to get to that, 5590, but all of a sudden, it's a limit order, so I was not there to look at this. Though it didn't trigger because it didn't get to that level, right? This trade did not trigger, but everything just started dropping and dropping and dropping. So for 1 inch, we are still on that sell. Look at that. Look at that massive. Look at that massive move. So for those of you who were smart enough to enter that trade yesterday, fine. Good profit for you, but mine did not trigger because currently favorite level from down there won't work. Even from up here won't work. Let's say we'll take it down. Okay, let's do daily time frame on this. Let's do the daily time frame on this. Okay, so yes, we are almost at that zone. Okay, almost at that zone, but we started rejecting at around 56 cents. Okay, we started rejecting at around 56 cents, and Is a sell for me, guys. For this trade is a sell. I see it coming down to, let me see. Okay, that area will not work. Let me take it down from here, from this previous low here. So take it down up there. Yeah, we are currently sitting from here. Okay, we are currently sitting at that 618 level. 618 level. So yes, we may be having a rejection at around this zone, guys. We may be having a rejection at around this zone. So let it play out for the 1 inch, okay? Let it play out. I don't know how low this will go because that rejection, there could be a rejection at the 618 level, okay? The 618 level I'm looking at, there could be a rejection there. If it doesn't reject here, guys, if it doesn't reject here, what the next area you're looking at is anything around 34 cents. Anything around 34 cents, that's what you should be looking at, okay? So anything around 34 cents is what you should be looking at for this particular token. But what I would do in order not to get, stuck within just along the way or thereabout, I'll wait for this to play out. If I get a rejection here, I'll take it to the upside. Else, I will just wait for it and wait to buy this token when it gets to this level down here. Okay, anything around 30 cents, 29 cents or thereabout, I'm waiting to buy. But if you want to look for possible scalping opportunity, yes, you can do that. Okay, you can do that on the lower time frame. But any scalping opportunity you're looking at is, to short. But we are currently at this level, so maybe you wait to reject this area here because it's the area we're looking at. If you reject that area, then you want to take it down, all right, to maybe around 34 cents or thereabout. But I see a possible rejection from here. Okay. But if BTC continues to drop, then this token will continue to go down. All right. If BTC continues to drop, then this token will continue to go down. That is, for the 1 inch token, guy. That is for the 1 inch token. Okay. That is for the 1 inch token. So let's refresh our page and see what we are currently looking at. For Link, okay, let's look at Link and see if we can get a quick trade here. Okay, I'm looking for a quick trade to take right now, guys. I'm looking for a quick trade to take right now. So let's look at what's possible. This is what I'm looking at. Let's look at higher time frame for Link USDT. Okay, so Link is having that rejection at around this 7.3. Okay, this is our resistance level. So we're having that rejection at that area. Now, this rejection, how low will it go? How low will this rejection go? How low will this rejection go? So what we'll be looking at right now is I can take a short trade down to this trend line, okay, to maybe around 6 short trade down there. Okay, for me, if I look at Link, okay, I want this to, let's see, this is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's see, because if we break this level, then we'll continue to go down. Okay, we'll break this level on the 15 minutes time frame, then we'll continue to go down. This level here, if we break it, we'll continue to go down. But if not, if this token comes back and returns this 7.2 7.3 level again, okay, we'll come back to return this 7.2 7.3 level again. We are going to do what? Take the trade to the downside. If we come back, okay, to this 7.3 7.2 level 288, okay, just short it. But if not, wait for this to play out. If this breaks, then you can start, taking trades gradually. But I see this will eventually come down, okay, maybe have a bounce at this trend line and then go back up again. It will eventually play out. But as I said earlier, everything depends on BTC. Okay, if anything that will make BTC to start dumping right now, all of this token will start dumping. So pay attention. Okay, pay attention to all of that. Anything that will make this token to start dumping right now, BTC to start dumping right now, every other token will follow suit. Okay, every other token will follow suit. This is exactly what I'm looking at currently on this particular token. This is on the 15 minutes time frame, so you can look at the quick scalp. So if we reject here, go back up there. If we come back here and reject, take it down. Okay, That is for Link, all right, for Link USDT right now. Assuming we saw it here, we would have entered the trade immediately. But right now, is not. We are not currently at any entering point on Link. Okay, so wait for it to play out, and then you take SUI. I forgot this token initially. It was one of the tokens I wanted to show this morning, but SUI USDT. So let's look at what's possible with that particular token. Okay. Yep. Any coin to buy, PES OG. That's what we're doing, okay? That's what we're looking at for coin, okay? We're looking at coins to buy right now, okay? We're looking at coins to buy right now. But anybody who is going to buy coin for long term and all of that, I said, wait for, wait for BTC to play out. Okay, BTC is at a very critical level right now. So wait for BTC to play out, guys. Wait for BTC to play out. For SUI, okay, guys. Look at this weeks on both sides and all of that. For SUI, it's actually going to be okay. Nah, no much data on this stuff. So everything just so SUI. I already missed this, okay? I already missed this, so we wait for it to play. I just wait for this candle to close. In the next 1 hour thereabout, um, wait for it to play out, okay? In the next 1 hour or thereabout, wait for this candle to play out, and then we'll see what was possible, okay? So currently, this zone, looking at this area, so will it reject from that area or take it up? I don't know. Let's wait for this to play out, okay? If we break this level, then we can take it down to around $66, right? We can take it down to around $66 or thereabout. So my highs and my lows for this will be here and there. So I'll go to the 15 minutes time frame and start looking for, yeah, on the 15 minutes time frame, we're currently below that. So just wait for this to, break out. What I want to see for SUI is just a retest, this area consolidating a bit and then taking it down, okay? So it could be a self, you can enter right now and take it down to around 68 cents. Okay. So for SUI, you can enter right now and take it to around 68 cents, guys. You can enter a trade for SUI for short and take it to around 68 cents, guys. That's what I'm currently looking at. Okay. Enter a short and take it to around 68 cents for SUI. Okay. SUI is a sell trade for me, guys. For SUI is a sell trade for me. Please use tight stop losses, okay? You use tight stop losses because anything can actually happen. I don't think there's any major news that will affect the market today. I don't know if there is any major news. So let's look at Forex Factory and see if there is any major US economic news that will affect the market either negatively or positively. Okay, so yeah, for SUI, let's wait for that to play out. Wait for it to play out. Okay, if we have rejection at around 71, 72, take it down, guys, and make some profit for yourself. Take it down and make some profit for yourself. Okay, so Forex Factory, let it load up. Let's look at what's possible. Forex Factory, yes. So let's refresh the page. Today is 18th. This 18th. So okay, there are some high impact news. Okay, all of this red envelope means there are high impact news, but the one that will affect the dollar, anything at from 130. Okay, we have the core retail sales. We have the retail sales and all of that. Those are the two that will affect the dollar. Okay, it can either affect the dollar positively or negatively, but this may not have that major move on crypto. But let's pay attention. Okay, that time or thereabout, anything from that 1 p.m. down, we're seeing a lot of activities in the market. So pay attention to that. Okay, pay attention to that and see how you can take that trade to the downside. For SUI, yeah, it's a short trade for me, guys. It's a short trade for me. Okay. So guys, get ready for the Bybit trading competition that is coming up. Okay, get ready for that trading competition that is coming up. The World series of trading. That is the WSOT, trading competition for Bybit that is coming. I've created a team. Okay, I've created a squad already. There is $8 million. Okay, set aside for every participant of and then there's a Lamborghini. Okay, there is the Rolex Wars. So if you are very active in trading and you do a lot of volume, because what we're counting here is the volume you do and then the P&Ls, okay? The amount of profit you make. You see, the competition is not just about winning money, but Bybit is encouraging you to make, to make some profit for yourself. So while equally sharing that $8 million, you equally stand a chance to do what? To grow your account, all right? So the amount of P&L you make and, what's it called? The amount of P&Ls you make and then the competition, the volume you do will determine what you'll be winning. So I'll be updating you. It's not just trading. Okay, there are equally the arena was a rally that you equally participate in. Those ones are just completing tasks. Okay, you just be completing tasks every day, and you'll be making money. Complete some tasks and you make money and all of that. So I'll go ahead and share this page again with you guys so that you see how to participate in that. And for all of you who participated in minting the MNT token, okay, the mantle token, which is taking over the BIT token on the Bybit exchange. All right. If you have those BIT token, you'll notice that all of the BIT token has been converted to the mantle token, right? So for those of you who minted the token and got some of the token for yourself, congratulations. I got 200 actually. Okay, those of you who did the first phase, second phase, you have a chance of actually getting one. So yes, congratulations to all of you, and let's see how this trading competition will go. So we'll do live stream every day. Okay, I'm looking at even doubling the live stream, because if we don't get the opportunity to trade in the morning, we can actually trade in the evening of that. So that's what I'm looking at. So what's the possibility? We'll look at that. Okay, see what that will give us going forward. All right. So we'll pray for strength. We'll pray for strength to keep up to that, guys. Yeah. So right now I'm going to look for a token that is actually long right now. OP, should we? Okay, for the OP token, let's look at what's possible. OP. So wait for SUI to play out and take a trade for SUI. Okay, BTC is around $29-30. That's currently what we're currently working on. So for the OP USDT, let's look at that. It should be a long trade right now. OP USDT. Sorry, Pers OG, I don't understand. When you say math, sell, or I don't understand what you're saying there, okay? I don't understand what you're saying there, guy. I don't understand your question, so you can rephrase the question so that I'll be able to get you clearly. So OP is rejecting here. Okay, I wanted it to reject at exactly this trend line, but this is where we rather had the rejection from. Okay, so this area here, that's where we had the rejection from. Okay, so I was waiting for it to come to this trend line, but since it didn't get to the trend line, what I will now do is to wait for it to go back up there and maybe start looking for short at 152, 151, 1.5 to 1.51 for OP token. Okay, allow it to play out, let it go back up there. Maybe we'll have a rejection there, you take it down. That's what I'm currently looking at on the OP token. And then I equally saw Solana. Solana should be a buy trade for me actually. Solana, should we buy or sell? We are currently at the zone. So on a long run, I see Solana actually getting down to maybe 20 something dollars. On a long run, Solana can get down there, okay, and do some magic for us. Okay, So on this 15 minutes time frame, I'll do use here as my high. Sorry, bring it up there. And then here as my lows. Okay, these are my lows. So I see a quick scalp to the upside for Solana. For Sol, I'm going to buy. I'll buy and sell around 26.4, 26 point, anything from 26.3, 26.4, all of that, okay? I'm going to take it up there, or even up to around that 26.9 up to 27. Okay, let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see how Solana plays out. Okay, let's see how Solana plays out, right? So I see Solana coming by maybe to around 20.4. Okay, you can target 20.4, 20.5 up to that 20.26. Guys, it's actually 26, not 20. 26.3, 26.4, 26.5 up to that 26.8 level. That's what I'm currently looking at for the Sol USDT. Okay, that's what I'm currently looking at for Sol USDT, guys. Okay. And then another token I want us to look at is let's look at possible. Which other token should we look at right now on this? Okay, I saw um okay, let's look at the H bar USD. Let's look at that token and see what's the volume they are doing. The H bar is doing around 20 something million dollars. Okay, so H bar USDT was there. Let's look at that. Guys, this token is a buy or sell. So I'm going to do both ways for this. Okay, yeah, look at this. We're currently at that zone there. So if we come back up here, take a sell. And then if we come down there, take a buy. Look at that. Okay, so if you look at lower time frame, that's the area we're looking at. Okay, this is the area we're looking at. So currently, we have this candle pushing up there. So I want it to come back here and reject again. Anything from around 0.055, 0.054, I'm going to short this token, guys. So pay attention to this, okay? Anything 0.055, 0.044, I'm going to short this token. So your entry should be around that area, okay? Around that area, and then you can target down this zone, okay? Target down that zone, guys. So this is what I'm currently looking at for this particular token. So pay attention to that token and allow it to play out. Okay. Now, one thing you can equally do is to take a long trade and let this play to that upside there, but just let it play out, okay? Because if you enter, you may enter long here and then start going down or there. But if you want to enter long, wait for it to get back to this level, right? We rejected at this level here. So you see that we've rejected, that's area. If I go to the 15 minutes time frame, so we rejected down there. You see that we rejected here, we rejected here, we rejected here. So you see that you wait for it to come down here, then you take a long trade to the upside, or you wait for it to, because I see this consolidating here for a while before we have a break either to the upside or to the downside. So for this particular token, you can look at quick scalping opportunity here, okay, long here, and then short up there. All right, long here and short up there. That's exactly what I'm looking at for this particular token, guys. All right, that's exactly what I'm looking at for this particular token. So make sure you pay attention. Okay, add this to your watch list and pay attention to that, guys. All right, so do me a favor by smashing that like button, guys. Smash that like button on YouTube. Those of you joining from YouTube, okay, make sure you smash that like button, guys. All right, so your questions, okay, your questions, ask your questions if you have questions related to crypto trading and all of that. All right, while I take your question, let me go ahead and show you what's possible with the ongoing competition, okay, what you stand to gain and all of that, guys. Yes. So I'm going to share this link with you so that you guys can start participating in the ongoing, campaign for the Bybit trading competition. Guys, if you don't have a Bybit account, go to the description of this video and sign up for an account. Guys, sign up for an account using this first link to sign up for Bybit, and make sure that you fund your account. With as little as $100 or thereabout, you can participate in this competition and stand a chance to win some money. Now, another good thing that the competition comes with, okay, let that page load up. Another good thing that the competition comes with is that you can copy traders and still make money, okay, and still stand a chance to share. I think there's $150,000 share set aside for copy traders. Or for those of you who can trade very well, you can apply to become a copy trader and still make money. Okay, so once that page loads up, I'm going to explain everything about that trading competition and how to participate, guys, and how to participate. If you are good, if you have been trading and you want to become a pro trader with the Bybit exchange, let me know. Okay, I'll walk you step by step on how to go about that. Okay, what about our reward for the African? Well, for those of you, is it that you didn't read the instruction or what? That reward will be calculated, I think, after 2 to 3 weeks or thereabout. Okay, the reward will come if you qualify for the reward. Those ones will come. It's after 3 weeks or thereabout. So after 3 weeks, Bybit will start distributing those to your account. Okay, they will distribute it to your various accounts. So expect that reward after 2 weeks or thereabout, 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so that is it. And congratulations to all of you who did at least 20,000 in trading volume and above. Okay, you definitely get something from Bybit. All right, you definitely get something from Bybit. So pay attention. Once the reward is distributed, okay, once they start distributing those rewards, I will let you know so that you can confirm and check what you actually qualified for. Okay, and check what you actually qualified for. All right. Okay, where's the link to this stuff I just opened right now? Where's that Bybit campaign stuff? Bybit campaign. Where's the link? I thought I copied that link also. Okay, so let's open that up again, and there we are. So let it load up. Okay, allow this token to play out. So I'm looking for that. Let it play out. Let it play out. All right. If we have shorted up here, then that would have been a good trade for us. But right now, wait for it to come down and then we re-enter the trade. Okay. Wait for it to come down and we'll re-enter that trade. Wait for it to go back up there, take it down. Wait for it to come down here, take it up. Okay. So if I see a lot of activities in this trade, this could be just the trade I'm going to focus on. And I think you guys should pay attention to. Okay, is not a good thing trading 10 tokens at the same time, guys. It is good to, some person says, they want to diversify or whatever they call it, okay, and all of that. But just stick to one token, guys, at a time. Except you have the funds to do that. Or those of you who have $100, you want to start distributing 10 dollars to each token, fine, you can do that. But to me, stick to one token. Once you understand, for instance, if I see that this token is going to consolidate here for a while, I can take advantage of that. I'll short when it gets here, I'll long when it gets here, short when it gets here, long when it gets here. When I get like 2, 3, 4 trades for that day, I'm done. And then I'll leave it and face some other things. Okay? I'll leave it and face some other things, right? Okay, guys. So that is basically it. All right, so guys, smash that like button, smash that like button. Okay, so in 6 days from now, right, the activities for the WSOT, trading event will begin. All right, WSOT is one of Bybit's biggest annual event, and that WSOT stands for World Series of Trading. Okay, so it's a trading competition organized by Bybit, and this comes up every year. And the way it is currently is that you can make up to now during this event, okay, Bybit actually set rewards for everybody, every participant, on all of that. Okay. Now this year's event, okay, this year's World Series of Trading competition, there is a $8 million, okay, that is set aside. So for this particular competition, Bybit has set aside $8 million for all participants, okay? They have set aside $8 million for all participants. So the activities will begin properly from 6 days from now, okay, from the time of making this video. And then there are a lot of activities you can participate in and stand a chance to share in this $8 million that Bybit is giving out, okay? And the first activity here that you can participate in is the squad, okay, showdown. First, you can become a trader, all right? You can become a squad leader by creating a team here. Now, when you create your squad, it is expected that you have a minimum of 10 people following you, okay? So if you can have up to 10 people following you, all right, you get additional $50, okay, up to $4,000 in that is withdrawable, and this amount of money is withdrawable in BTC. All right, Bybit will give you that. So if you can get up to 10 people to join your squad and all of that, you can create a team here, okay? You can create a team, then Bybit will be able to approve that. So make sure that you have been trading on Bybit, because maybe that is part of what they will look at to make sure that you qualify. Or you can become a squad member. Guys, my link will soon be ready. Once this countdown finish, my link will be ready and I'll send them to you to become a squad member. When you become a squad member, what happened? Okay, the first 10 users to join a squad, once I send the link, the first 10 users to join that link or to join my squad will get $10 bonus in BTC. All right. Once I make that link available, the first 10 persons to join the squad, okay, by becoming a member of that squad will get $10 bonus in BTC. So if you don't have a Bybit account, guys, I cannot overemphasize it. Go to the description of this video and sign up for a Bybit account and get ready for this. Okay, there are a lot of rewards you can stand to gain here. All right, and then we have this squad showdown. This squad showdown will actually this is based on ranking. Okay, ranking of trading of participants based on their trading volume and their P&Ls. Okay, those the top 10 in the top 10 individuals who will rank according to their P&Ls, and the top 150 that will rank according to their trading volume will stand a chance to share in $6 million reward pool. Okay, so these persons will start, and this will start happening from the 7th of August to 27th of August. So all of those ranking that will be coming according to your P&Ls, the profit and losses that you made. Okay, when we talk about P&Ls, it's profit and losses. Okay, according to your positive P&Ls. Okay, when you start making this reward and you start ranking according to your P&L, Bybit will give there are certain rewards that come to you. Okay, when you do move volume, there are certain rewards that comes to you. Okay, the other activity you can participate in and stand a chance to share in this $8 million that Bybit is giving away is to become a master trader. If you want to become a master trader, you can come in here and apply. I'll send the link to you. Okay, so you come in here and apply as a master trader. You stand a chance to share in the $150,000 a prize pool that Bybit has set aside for this, or you can copy master traders and still participate to share in this $8 million. Okay, and what happens? You just go ahead and follow any master trader of your choice. I have made my links available, okay, and I'll be sending it out to all of you who are ready to copy my trade. So throughout this period, all of the trades I'll be trading, you'll be able to copy those trades without doing anything, okay? So automatically that will be, taking the trades that I take from my end, it will now replicate that on your own account, okay? So while you are making profit copying a trader, you equally stand a chance to share in $150,000 reward pool that Bybit has set aside for this. Okay, another way you can participate in this World Series of Trading competition organized by Bybit, which is one of their biggest annual event, is by using the Arena raffle. And what is the Arena raffle? You just need to complete a task to earn $1,000 in BTC and then limited edition of the WSOT NFTs every day. Okay, so every day you complete like 5 tasks. I don't know what the tax will look like. Okay, this time I don't know what the tax are going to be. But once this is made available, I will make a video on how to complete those tasks for you guys. So you just need to complete 5 tasks every day, and you stand a chance to win $1,000 in BTC and then limited edition of the WSOT NFTs edition and all of that. Okay. Then another way you can equally participate is the Booty Rally. Okay, the Booty Rally, top users based on referral counts and referees trading volume will share $80,000. So for those of you who are going to be referring people to join this campaign and all of that, you stand a chance to qualify for this. All right, and the dates are all highlighted there when all of this will be happening. Okay, and then there'll be a live stream giveaway on August 24th. Okay, and what is that giveaway about? The giveaway is going to give you, the Lamborghini, all right, and then they are going to give out the Rolex watch, all right. So you want to make sure you participate. I will give you details on all of this. Okay, I'll give you details on all of this, all right, that you'll be able to qualify and stand a chance. Who knows? You could be the person going home with the Lamborghini or the Rolex watch. So there will be a live stream, okay, on the 24th of August to give out this gift of Lamborghini, okay, and then the Rolex watch, okay. And then another activities is that you can actually make a deposit, all right. There's amount of money you can make a deposit, all right, and become a VIP member, all right. So what Bybit is saying that you can upgrade to VIP and enjoy discounts in fee. VIPs are the ones who enjoy discounts in fee. Maybe you are paying 0.01 in fee, in trading fee. VIP members pay far low below that. Okay, so depending on the VIP level you are, so you can become a VIP to enjoy exclusive fees and benefit by simply making a deposit to your Bybit account. So sign up for a Bybit account, make a deposit to your Bybit account, and that qualifies you to become a VIP member. So these are all the activities that will be going on throughout this period of the WSOT trading competition organized by Bybit. So all you just need to do is to participate in one way or the other. If you cannot trade with me every day on the live show, you can copy my trades or copy any other trader of your choice. Now, the good thing is that you can copy more than one trader. If you have like 500 traders, you can dedicate 100 to one trader, dedicate another 100 to another trader. If you have $1,000, you can share it among like 2, 3, 5 traders. You can copy as many traders as you want. All right. That way you'll be able to split your portfolio and then allow traders to be making profit for you automatically. So it's going to be an event that will help you make some money, not just in trading, but equally stand a chance to share in this $8 million that Bybit is giving out. Okay. So guys, make sure you participate. I'm going to send a link for those of you who want to become pro traders, those of you who want to become copy traders, any of these that you want to. If you want to create a squad for yourself, I'll make the links available. Okay, the link will be in the video description. Go ahead and participate in the ongoing competition and stand a chance to win yourself some money. Okay, that's it for today. If you don't have questions, I think we'll call it a day here. All right, please, I need your contact number. If you can send it to me, I would appreciate. Just go to the description of the video, guy. Okay, go to the Rich Sap or so. Okay, go to the description of this video and then join the Telegram group and you can contact me there. Okay, you can DM me on the Telegram and then I'll be able to send the number across to you. Okay, but getting that number means that you want to come and give me some money. Okay, all right, so that is it for today. Smash that like button, guys, before you call it a day. Guys, we'll meet again tomorrow. So look at all the trade setup that we have. Look at all the trade setup that we have and take those trades accordingly, guys. So wait for this to play out. I'm still waiting for this to come back up there and I'll enter a trade and take it down. Okay, wait for this to play out, guys. This is one of the token I'll be looking at. It's already on my watch list. I'll be looking at trading this token back to back. Okay, so that is it for this video. Do we have more questions? If there are no questions, bye bye, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, yeah. Rich, Sabs. Okay, Rich S Sabs or whatever your name is. Sorry if I murder your name. Okay, if you are smiling, I'm sorry I murdered your name, guy. But just contact me via the Telegram, okay, and then you'll be able to get the number, and then you come and give me that money that you want to share with me, guy. Okay, so I'm looking for a $1 million trading deal. If you have $1 million in your account and you want us to double it, bring the deal for us. Okay, we can come to a conclusion and see how the profit sharing ratio will be, and we'll start making money for you guys. All right, so yeah. Go and copy traders. Okay, participate in the ongoing trading stuff and make some money for yourself. All right, $10 every day is possible trading. $10 every day is possible trading. All right. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye. Vicky. Oh, sorry. I thought it was a guy. Vicky, you're welcome. That's my younger sister's namesake. Don't worry, Vicky, I'll give you the number for free. I'll give you the number for free. So just okay, go to the video description. Go to the second link here is to join the Telegram group. There you'll be able to DM me, okay? And you'll be able to get the number there as well. Okay, so yes, go to that and see how that works, right? So let's wait for this to play out so that I'll be able to, Maybe I should just wait, but how long will it take? If I say let's wait for this, how long will it take? I want this to come up here, right? I want to enter a trade up here and then take it down here, right? And then if it comes down here, I want to enter a trade and take it up there. So it's going to be two ways, guys. It's going to be two ways trading. So here, long trade from here, then we'll take it up, and then short trade from here, and then we'll take it down. That's exactly what we're looking at. But currently, we're in the middle, don't do anything, allow this to play out, okay? We are currently in the middle of this, don't do anything, allow this to play out, and we'll be able to make trade, okay? That is for that token. You can look at more tokens, and we looked at the SUI token, we looked at a lot of tokens, okay? Another token I look at trading is the Wave USDT, okay? Another token I look at trading is the Wave USDT. Let me see if I can give you a setup for Wave. Where is that Wave stuff? I think I have it here. Yes, Wave. Okay, another token I look at trading is the Wave USD. You see that Wave, let it load up. Let me show you. Yeah, this is Wave. So let's look at higher time frame and see what's possible. Let's look at higher time frame and see what's possible. Look at Wave. This is Wave. Okay, so yeah. We're just this area. Okay, so what I'm looking at for Wave is let's see, guys, what we can actually look at. So yeah, these are my zones. If I go to, let's look at 15 minutes and see what's possible. So yes, so for 15 minutes, I can take this level as my high. So this level as my high. Okay, that's my high on the 15 minutes time frame, and then my low will be somewhere around there. So what I can do is I just wait for a rejection, okay, in either of this way. All right. We just had that massive rejection here from $2, and then we are dropping down there. So we'll wait for it to come down to this level. 1.90 is a long trade for me, guys. 1.94, 1.93, 1.91, $90 or 1.90 cent. Okay, I'm taking a long trade to the upside for Wave, but allow it to play out. Okay, allow it to do its thing and then play out. If it plays out, you go ahead and take that. Okay. This is Wave USDT. Which coin is that? Is Wave. Okay. This is Wave USDT. This is Wave USDT. Okay. Or the previous coin, is it the previous coin you're referring to? The previous coin was is it H bar? Yeah, it's H bar. Okay, the former one was H bar that I had a long both to the upside and to the downside, right? H bar is the one I'm looking at, and then this one I'm currently looking at is the Wave USDT. Okay, Wave USDT is what I'm currently looking at. Why the other one was the H bar USDT, the one that I want to take to the upside if it gets down to my level, and then take it to the downside if it gets down to those level. Yes, this long and short trade is for the H bar. Okay, so wait for it to play out and then we'll follow the trade accordingly. All right, wait for it to play out and then we'll follow the trade accordingly. Okay, if I have my way, I would have said let's be here until everything plays out. But guys, is not actually that possible. All right, it's not possible to stay here throughout the day. SRP, what was the setup we looked at on SRP? Did we have any setup on SRP? Yeah, we're waiting for a breakout of either of these areas. Yes, a breakout of either of these areas is what we are looking at, okay? So either a break to the upside to continue the upward trend, or we break to the downside and then we take it to around 60, 69, 68 cents, okay? That's what we are looking at. For SUI, what setup did we have there? We had what is the setup we had there? Okay, it was a short setup for me, right? But currently, if you're already in that trade, then this should be going against you. But let's look at that area. So look at SUI. Don't worry, leave it to play out, okay? Leave it to play out. It will definitely go in profit. It should definitely go in profit for SUI. Okay, it should definitely go in profit, guys. It should definitely go in profit. All right. Which other token again am I supposed to be looking at right now? Okay, let me refresh this page and see if there is any token that has stopped here. If we have any token that have come to the top of the list here, then we go ahead and look at possible trading opportunity. SUI will play out, that I'm sure of. Just allow it to play out, okay? Allow it to play out and you'll be able to enjoy. Okay, I think the token we have here now is we have the XTM. Okay, so XTM is there. Yep. So let's look at STM and see what's possible. Let's look at STM. STM. Is it STMX, right? USDT. Is that what it is? Okay, I think it's XTMX. I missed that. Yes, STMX. STMX. Oh, we had that pullback already. We missed that pullback. We missed that pullback. Look at that. Look at that massive wick. Gosh. Okay. So we have that massive pullback already. Okay. So yeah, that's the area we rejected from currently. So, and then we are just on this trend. So 15 minutes, let's look at what's possible with the 15 minutes time frame. We had that rejection already, okay? So if we have a bounce at this trend line, take it up, and then if we go back up there, take it down. If we have a bounce at this trend line, okay, this trend line there, right, take it up. If we have a bounce there, if we break it, then take it down. All right, that is it for that particular token. That's it for that particular token. Yeah. So allow it to play out. The token already had the rejection, so we'll miss that. We'll miss that rejection. So let everything play out, guys. Let everything play out. Okay, so that is basically what we're looking at. Okay, look at stick to one token for the day, all right, and try to make, if it is your 10%, if 10% is what you are targeting, make that 10% and be done for the day. If it's 20%, make that 20% and be done for the day. Another thing is, instead of waiting for a particular trade to give you that 20%, you can split it, okay? Because the time you wait, most especially when the token is consolidating, whether it's on a lower time frame or a higher time frame, is the same thing. Okay, when you have a token moving in this direction like this, okay, let's say you have a token moving in this direction just within a range, and then you have it again moving up like that. So what you can do is to take advantage of this movement, right? You can take advantage of this movement and scalp the market and make some profit. So if it goes up here, you make it, it comes down there, you short it goes up there, you long, it comes down here, you short it. That way you should be able to make some profit in the market. Okay, so smash that like button, guys. Our daily our streams are every day. For those of you who are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then hit that notification bell. We stream every day, okay, to look for possible scalping opportunity to make money in the market. It is no longer difficult, okay, to trade crypto. So come join us live every day and learn. All right, and then if we see opportunity to trade immediately, we do. If we don't, we carry out this, okay, we'll give you this trade setup that you can use to make some money in the market. So that is it for this video. That is it for this live stream. Make sure you smash that like button, guys, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow same time. Okay, so 7:15 a.m. my own time, okay, my Nigerian time. Be time live tomorrow again. Bye bye, and do have a profitable day ahead. Okay, have a profitable day ahead and trade with care. Don't